How to recover deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily recover the message that you've deleted on Messenger. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Messenger application. Once you open it up, you can find the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it and then go to Settings. Once you are on Settings menu, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find Account Center, and then tap on See More in Account Center. Once your Account Center opens up, you need to go ahead and find the option called Your Information and Permission. Tap on it. Then you have an option to download your information. So what happens is if you have deleted any messages, it will be available on the download. So go to that and tap on download or transfer information. Then select your Facebook account since your Messenger is connected to your Facebook, and then tap on next. Then go ahead and tap on specific types of information because we don't want all the available information. We just want the messages. So we are just going to go ahead and select messages right here. Tap on next. And then go to download to device. Now you can select your date range. So let's just do, let's say, last month. Tap on save. Make sure the format is on HTML. And you can adjust the quality to your liking. I'll just do medium. Tap on create files, and once your information is ready for download, you'll be notified on your email. So you can see your requests over here. If you have previously requested any data, you can view your past requests as well. And after a few while, you can find all of the available information for your download. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.